How are you? Today we're going to draw a very nice fish. Its name is elang. So usually it's called Bengala barb or Bengala elanga. Let's write it down here. Bengala, Bengala, Elanza, elanga. Alright, so let's start the drawing from the left side and just drawing the whole body shape to the last end of the fin. Okay, and the outside parts, usually the abdominal area. Okay, it has some fin here, another fin here, and a very hard fin on the top. Okay, now I'm going to draw the eye, a round circle around that one, the bigger, usually the bigger than the previous one. This is the breathing part and another one extended. Okay, and the scales little bit bigger than the other fishes, so I'm putting the bigger graphics for the whole body from the left side to the right side. Okay, and at the back you can see this one. Now we're going to take the 6B pencils, just drawing the tail here. Okay, with lots of shades, as you can easily understand. Okay, and making darker the abdominal fin and this one and the front, and on the dorsal side also has a darker fin, putting little shades around the dorsal fin here on the top. Okay, and little bit shades around here around the belly, you can see. Okay, now it's little bit colorful, so that's why putting the deep dark shade little bit on the top, merging with the previous shade and making the front part. Okay, so much color you can see here. So on the belly side it's little bit other colors with a touch of little bit yellow, and on the top just a mix of the dark red color, and the fin and the tail, those are getting nicely visible, making the color okay worthwhile for the drawing. Okay, so you have seen the shades and the progressions. Okay, so that's how the drawing is complete. You can see the shades and the scales here. I hope you like the video. The more you give the time for the drawing, the better the drawing is going to be. So there's the particular aspects of every drawing. So when you draw anything, just give it a time and do the details very nicely, and the drawing is going to be good. So this fish I'm just showing you in different angles and different distances, so that's why I'm moving the frame here. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.